The first part of question 2 was fairly straightforward. It's just a simple differentiation question. So we're asked to find f dash of x. So up here we're given f of x equals px cubed plus px squared plus qx. So we should just be able to look at this and say that the derivative of each of those is going to be 3px squared plus 2px plus q. Part B then, it says, given that the derivative of x is greater than 0, show that p squared is less than or equal to 3pq. So if you look at this, you should recognize that it is a quadratic, and we are told that the quadratic is greater than or equal to 0. Now, broadly speaking, we've got something which is either going to be touching the x-axis or it's going to be way up here somewhere. So in terms of the discriminant, what that is telling us is that if we take our discriminant, so b squared minus 4ac, we can understand from this sketch here that our discriminant must be less than or equal to 0. Remember, if our discriminant is has 2 roots, then it will be greater than or equal to 0. If it's equal to 0, it will only have 1 root, and if it's less than 0, it will have no roots, so it would look like this. So here we can set up our discriminant, so there'll be a mark for that. And now we're going to look at b squared, so our component of b is going to be 2p, so I'm going to write 2p all squared, minus 4 times a is going to be up there, 3p, and c is going to be q. So I know that that is less than or equal to 0, so I'm going to end up with here 4p squared minus 12p q is less than or equal to 0. So 4p squared is less than or equal to 12p q, and if I divide through by 4, I end up with p squared is less than or equal to 3p q.